What's your favorite thing on your plate? Conrad, did you eat the orange?
This is what my favorite.
Did you eat all your oranges, Theo?
Mm-hmm.
And you're dumping the rest of your mac and cheese?
Mm-mm.
You've been a hungry boy today, huh? Oh, wow. And Conrad, what's your favorite?
Chips.
Chips. What's your favorite?
My favorite
Oranges.
is my Suns.
And Capri Suns?
My favorite is Suns.
Capri Sun?
Also is chips.
Mac and cheese?
And chips. And chips.
Okay. Theo, you ate all your food. That's pretty impressive. You never eat all your food.
My favorite is
You've been finishing your... Are you growing right now? Oh. Conrad, are you growing right now?
No, dears. But
Yes,
I'm
Theo.
not. But I play my favorite. No way.
Oh.
Man. No way. Yeah.
What kind of mac and cheese do you have? Cheesy cups?
Yeah, TV. And it's bright and blue.
Oh. And... Oh, is Theo turning the TV on?
I'll right
I
here.
got owie on my thumb?
Yeah.
I do, don't I? I need cream.
I'll go get some
What are you gonna go get?
cream.
Cream.
Yes. I'll go and get it.
Okay, careful. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Run,
I
run.
got it.
You can run?
Yeah, I can run.
TV got him. The TV got him. Conrad, what about the cream?
In the drawer.
In the drawer?
Yeah.
All right. We'll be right back when the cream comes.
I got it, Dad.
You got my cream?
Yeah. Here's your Dad.
Thanks, buddy, man. That's my cream.
Yeah.
And it goes on my thumb?
Dad, try to sit by
Well, of course you can sit by me. You want to help me with my cream?
Yeah.
Can you open it?
Yeah.
Okay. You put it on my thumb? Put my thumb in there.
I can.
There you go.
I can.
And you put my thumb in there? There you go. And you need some too?
Yeah. The rub on your thumb.
Rub it on my thumb. Is your name George?
No. Dorsey is Dory Porgy.
Georgie Porgy.
Third boy is on the show.
He's on the show. But what is your name?
Conrad.
Yeah. And what's your brother's name?
Dio.
Theo. What's your doggy's name?
Zema.
And what's your mama's name?
Madison.
Yeah, what's my name?
Dad.
What's my other real name?
Your son.
What's my name?
Dad.
Yeah, but my name's Darren.
But your name is Dad.
Oh, okay. My name is Dad. That's true.
Gio's called for Lydia.
Theo's gonna call for Lydia to babysit?
Yeah.
You like her babysitting you?
Yeah.
Do you play... What do you do best?
I just bite it.
You like the taste of that cream?
Yeah.
Tastes good, creamy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I got spin it.
You gotta spin it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You do.
Then I got some cream.
You got some cream too?
Dad,
Put it on my lips?
on your thumb.
On my thumb?
Got a little bit more.
Okay.
A little bit more on
A little bit more? Okay. What's on your t-shirt, Conrad?
a red monster.
A Christmas tree monster?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do Christmas tree monsters do?
Roar at Theo.
They roar at Theo?
Yeah.
Yucky! That's yucky!
I just bite them.
You just bite the cream?
Yeah.
It's hand cream. It's not eating cream.
Dad, I just want to do that.
Yeah, that's kind of yucky. Okay, can I put it away?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I'll show you where the door is.
Okay.
I'll show you where it is.
All right, let's go get it.
I'll show you where it is. It's here.
Okay, we're running.
This one.
That one?
Yeah.
You know what I forgot?
Yeah.
The cream. I left it on the table. Come on, let's go get it. I left it on the table.
Oh. I got it.
You got it. Okay. You running?
Yeah. You're running.
I'm running.
It's right here.
Yeah, there it is. Okay, put it on in.
Go right here.
Yeah. I got more creams, huh?
Yeah, I got more cream right here.
Yeah, I got lots. And some deodorants, some shavers, and some toothbrushes.
Yeah, two.
Two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I gotta get a little bit of this one.
You gotta get a little bit of that one. What's that one got in it?
Cream?
Creamy cream?
Yeah, creamy creamy.
Okay.
Dad,
Say goodbye. Say
goodbye.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you
Love you
so much.
so much.
You are the besties.
You are the bestie.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, I need you to do a backflip for me. Whoa. That was wild.
Daddy, play Minecraft?
We're gonna go play monsters?
Yes.
Okay.
Come play with us.
Okay.
And I count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go.
We're playing monsters?
Yeah.
Ah, I gonna get you.
No, I gotta play with us.
Oh, monster trucks?
Yeah.
I can't see.
I can't see.
I'm gonna have to get your booty.
My bum bum.
Your bum bum.
My bum.
Conrad, what's your favorite monster truck?
Tiger.
Tiger Shark. That's right. The Tiger Shark is the bestie.